Well, hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, South Texas. I'm Victoria Cantu. Let's take a look at those current conditions right now for this beautiful Monday. A lot of sunshine coming in for today. We also have some low cloud coverage for this morning time. Of course, that's going to be dispersing. It's still feeling pretty humid out there as well. We have that humidity at 88% with your highs right now around 77 degrees. Of course, those are going to be going up for the middle of the day. Now, let's take a look at that morning forecast. Feeling very nice out there in Laredo, back into those mid 70s, and we are rising back into those 80s pretty early on for today around 10 a.m. Now let's take a look at the next 24 hours here at home. Not too much really going on. We are going to see a lot of sunshine coming out for today, of course, for tomorrow as well. Now let's take a look at that travel forecast. If you guys are heading out anywhere else in Texas, do expect those temperatures to be very nice out there. Check out Austin around 85 degrees, the possibility of those showers moving in. And then we have Lubbock. We do have a very nice cool front out there around 63 degrees, so it's already feeling pretty chilly out there. We're back into those 80s in South Padre Island, also Houston with those light showers that'll be moving in for tomorrow. Now let's take a look at that satellite and radar. Not too much going on. We do have some spotty showers coming in from the Gulf, mainly staying around the South Padre Island areas. Now overlooking tomorrow's highs, we are seeing a lot of sunshine coming back out around 99 degrees in McAllen, Mission, also the Edinburgh areas around 99 degrees there. And then we're back into those triple digits in areas like Rio Grande City. Of course, we have a little bit more of that cloud cover heading out to Harlingen, Brownsville, and also the South Padre Island areas. Now overnight lows, we're back into those 70s, so it's going to feel very nice and warm out there, especially for the early morning time. Not as warm as we usually have it, but we're back into those 70s, so it's going to feel just like how it was for this morning time for tomorrow morning. Now overlooking our satellite, not too much going on, of course, and we also have our tropical activity with Hurricane Melissa that's currently in the Atlantic Basin. We're seeing her trajectory where she will be heading. Looks like she'll be heading more northeast for Tuesday, Wednesday, and also for Thursday of this week. She'll be back into the Atlantic there. Now overlooking our heat index next couple days here, we're back to feeling like 100 degrees, so it's going to feel very hot for today, for tomorrow, and then we do have a very nice cool front coming back in, very nice weak cool front. Of course, we're back to feeling like 78 degrees, so I'm taking it. It's going to be very nice out there. We're not feeling like those triple digits anymore for Wednesday, Thursday, also for Friday, and then we start to increase back for the weekend. I know Friday is Halloween, or is that Saturday? We are going to have nicer types of temperatures, of course, coming in. We are going to have a lot more of that sunshine for Tuesday, cloud cover coming in for Wednesday. Of course, look at those lows, back to 66 for Tuesday night, Wednesday at 54, so we finally see some 50s in the forecast. Perfect time for the holidays, for Halloween, which is Friday, around 83 degrees. We have a lot of sunshine coming out, so if you guys are going to be trick-or-treating for the nighttime, around 64, so it's going to be very nice and cool out there with a little bit more of that breeze coming in. And then for Saturday, a lot more of that sunshine will be coming back out, so we're back into those 90s. And then for Sunday around 89, but we're back into 90s for next week, and those lows stay very nice in the 50s and the 60s. And that is your extended forecast for this week. Time for Halloween. Now let's take a look at those current conditions right now in McAllen, currently at 90 degrees, feeling absolutely beautiful out there. We are having a lot of that sunshine coming in for today, and it's still looking pretty windy as well. We do have that wind coming from the southeast at 5 miles per hour, a little bit more windy on the coastal regions. Now overlooking what's ahead for the next couple days here, so very nice cooler temperatures coming in from the Gulf into areas like Houston, Austin, Dallas, also here in the Rio Grande Valley, and also in Laredo. So expect cooler temperatures coming in for the rest of this week and also for the weekend. So let's take a look at the next 24 hours here at home on our radar. Not too much going on. We are receiving a lot of that sunshine coming in for today and also for tomorrow. So tomorrow's highs are back into those upper 90s, around 99 degrees. Plenty of sunshine in McAllen, also Rio Grande City, back into those triple digits there, so a little bit hotter out there. And then we have 88 degrees on the coastal regions with that cloud cover coming in. Overnight lows, we're back into those 70s, around 74 in McAllen, so very nice, warm and fresh temperatures once we are waiting for that morning time hour back to those nicer temperatures once we wake up. And now we're looking at travel forecast. If you guys are heading out anywhere else in Texas, looking very nice out there. We're seeing some 80s in Houston, South Padre Island, and even some 60s in the forecast there, around 64 degrees in Lubbock, a little bit more hazy, low cloud coverage out there. And then you have Austin at 85 degrees with the possibility of those showers that'll be moving in. Now we're looking at our satellite and radar. We do have some very light development of rain currently right now on the Gulf Coast, but that's going to be dispersing throughout the daytime. Now let's take a look at that tropical activity. Of course, this is in the Atlantic Basin right now. We're currently tracking Category 5 Melissa. She is a hurricane Category 5, currently really close to Jamaica. That will be making landfall for the morning time for tomorrow. But she is very close right now, especially to Cuba, the Caribbean. So if you guys are making any plans out there, definitely take that time to really think ahead of time, because this is going to be a very catastrophic hurricane, especially one of the most catastrophic hurricanes of this season yet. And we're seeing the trajectory where she'll be heading more towards the northeast. Now overlooking the heat index next couple days here, tomorrow it's going to get hot. And then we are going to have that very nice cool front coming in for Wednesday, which I'm very excited about, because look at those highs. It's going to feel like 78 degrees out there. So perfect time for that sweater weather. But then for the weekend, guys, we are increasing back into those 90s. So it'll be nice while it lasts, but we are seeing those 50s in the forecast for Wednesday night, Thursday night, and for Halloween for Friday. Back into those 60s for the nighttime. Perfect time to go trick-or-treating with those 60s there. And then for the weekend, a lot more sunshine will be coming back out. And that is your extended forecast.